Hello everyone, welcome to GA Genius by Aditya sir. NIACL AO interviews 2024 dates are out. अगर आपको इसके बारे में अभी तक इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिली है, so on the official website of NIACL you can check the your name and venue. Apart from that, the exact date and timing also they have given you कि आपका डेट क्या है, टाइमिंग क्या है. तो दो चीजें आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगी. ये तो शॉर्ट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स थे जिनको शॉर्ट लिस्ट किया गया है. After that you will be able to see the schedule of interview. Point number 1 पे आपको मिलेगा schedule of interview. So in the schedule of interview you can check your name along with the venue which is allocated to you. जो venue आपको allocate हुआ है वो, like Mumbai 9th of January, 8th of Jan, 17th of Jan, 21st of Jan, 27th of January. As per my information, interviews जो आपके start हुए हैं वो 6th of January से स्टार्ट हुए. मतलब जो मिनिमम डेट मिला है नियरेस्ट वन, दैट इज 6th of January. So interviews are getting started from 6th of Jan. Reporting time morning 8:30 भी दिया हुआ है. So morning 8:30 also there is interview. ठीक है. अगर आप देखोगे अलग अलग वेन्यूज पे मोस्टली अलग अलग डेट्स दिए हुए हैं. जैसे दिल्ली में आपका थोड़ा लेट मिल रहा है, 21st 22nd of January है. मुंबई में 8th of January को भी इंटरव्यू है. 6th of January भी है मुंबई में. 7th of Jan is also there in Mumbai. 6th of Jan is also there in Mumbai. कोलकाता में फिर आपके पास इंटरव्यूज है 9th of Jan, 27th of Jan. So here you can check the details of your date of interview along with your roll number. Point number 1. Second thing is start preparation properly because dates are out. Call letter they can give you at any time. That is not a big problem for them कि call letters वो कभी भी आपके लॉन्च कर दें. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीजों पर जरूर से ध्यान रखिए. For example, they can definitely ask you about that what are the qualities you hold for the position of administrative officer. AO की पोजीशन के लिए आप में क्या क्वालिटीज हैं. Which type of principles are applicable in the life insurance? Which type of principle of insurance is not applicable in life and non-life insurance? So there are 7 principle of insurance. Out of 7, there is most important principle of insurance is utmost good faith. इसको pillar of principle of insurance भी बोला जाता है, which is the truth and a type of trust between policy holder and company. That is called utmost good faith. It is also called pillar of principle of insurance, जैसा मैंने बताया अभी आपको. So which principle of insurance not applicable to life insurance? So principle of indemnity हो गया, principle of contribution, principle of subrogation, they are not applicable to life insurance, while all the principle of insurance applicable to non-life. NIACL is a non-life insurance company or a general insurance company. Largest public sector general insurance company in India is NIACL, right? तो आपको इसके बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ना है. My interview batch is already live with all this data in depth, in detail. You can check the details on the batch is live on the Guidely platform. You can check the details about the batch. 2 mock interviews are available in the batch where you will be able to get the answers of all such questions, that how your skills can be useful to NIACL. So basically what is the requirement? Roles and responsibility of NIACL AU. They need to create the new business for their branch. अपनी branch के लिए नया business create करना है, communicating with the customers, communicating with the automobile dealers, with the company to offer them health insurance policy for all the employees together. नया business create करना है. For that communication skill, convincing skills are required. Then management skills, because you will be managing the policy. Insurance claim आएंगे, so claim settlement you need to authorize the claim settlement. So for that management skill, you will be working in a team. You will be working with a team. After this initiative of Bima Trinity, there will be agents with whom also you need to interact and collaborate and motivate them to increase the business of your branch. So for that team building capacity, growth mindset, that always you will be thinking around how to increase the business of your branch. So such type of skills which will be aligned to the roles and responsibilities of AO position in NIACL, that type of answer you should frame along with the examples that why and how this skill will be helpful in NIACL AO. I have told you the details of batch. Dates are out. Now there is no need of wait. We will be starting our mock interviews soon, so you can join the batch immediately. Start your preparation. Any confusion you have, connect with me over Telegram. My Telegram ID is Aditya Sir GA. My Telegram group name is GA Genius by Aditya Sir. तो आप सर्च करोगे GA Genius Telegram पर जाकर GA Genius you will be able to find my Telegram group. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you need any other support from my side over the YouTube regarding this preparation. Thank you.